everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm filming in a slightly different location. I thought maybe it'd be cute to have a little helper right here. Hey baby girl. Today we are opening up like the cutest box ever. Look at this box. The Be Kind by Ellen box. This is for spring and seriously, I remember winter box being super cute too, but this might be my favorite. So this is a seasonal subscription. It's $49.49. I will link that down below if you guys are interested in getting this. There's also a 10% off like code that pops up when you're on the website, so you can get 10% off your first box. And you get 8 products, and they're all like eco-friendly, super well-curated lifestyle items. I really like this box. So yeah, this is kindly sent to me, free for review, not sponsored. So yeah, I think that's everything. Let's get this open. What do you think, Emmy? Should we get it open? She's like, pet me. Isn't this the cutest? She sleeps all day now. Ever since I got this for her birthday, which is Friday, she just lounges all day long. She just loves this thing. I was worried it wouldn't support her, but it does. Hi, girl. So yeah, let's get started. I'm like, maybe this isn't a great idea because now I'll just be so distracted. Look at her. Look at you. Look at your face. You're so cute. Oh, I love you so much. I'm so glad she likes her present. Ooh, something fun. When I open it up, oh my god, the inside of the box is equally as cute. Like a little carrot. Oh, something smells pepperminty. Almost dropped something. What is this? Ellen's golden ticket entry. Win a trip for 2 to Puerto Rico. Cool. So they're having a giveaway. One subscriber will win a 3-night trip for 2 to Puerto Rico. Almost $5,000 value. That's awesome. And then this right here, the spring box includes 7 items from 7 brands that make a conscious choice to do better for the world. We absolutely love them and hope you will too. And then it talks about making an impact, so they donate to a lot of charities too. Last box, remember I found out about my adopted gorilla son, Imfura. I posted a picture. He's on my fridge, his picture. I thought that was so great. So they donated all this money like for each box. Like I think it was like ended up being like a $70 or $80 value to go towards the gorillas at this like sanctuary place. I was so excited about that. I thought that was so awesome. Because yeah, Ellen loves animals and I do too. I love humans too, you know, but I feel like I like supporting animal charities. I have a soft spot. Oh my god, you're so cute. So you look a little magazine here. Oh my god, look at that cute little bee. That talks about all the items inside. And yeah, so you can just get a look at it, a little sneak peek. And there's like some articles and stuff by the founders. I love stuff like that. I'll always love magazines, but let's get started. Here's another sneak peek. So perfect for spring. We have some like seeds, it looks like. American Meadows Meadowscaping Seed Starter Kit. Meadowscaping makes it better. There's 5 wild seed packets in here. There's a monarch butterfly seed mix, pollinator wildflower seed mix, purple coneflower seed, zinnia elegans seed, and autumn beauty sunflower seed. I love that. Oh my god, how cute is that too? Look at the little bee. I'll have to plant some of these on my little balcony. You can see. Emmy, what do you think? Oh, look. Hey. And then look how cute these are, gardening gloves. I need some. I was using some like old kitchen gloves for my gardening gloves. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. Let's see, who's this by? My Little Belleville, inspired in Paris. One size, this is made from 70% cotton, 30% polyester. These are the cutest. I'm so happy. I think it's so cute to like give these with the seeds. It looks like lavender or something. It's so pretty. And then touchy yellow down here. I love it. I'm super excited about this. Oh, Emmy, hi. Look at, here's another new thing. There's another gardening thing. Oh my god, yes, I don't have one of these. What would you, is there like a term for this? Let's see. A trowel. Trowel? I didn't know that was a word. I call my friend Trowel because like I combined Travis and Owl together. Trowel, if you're watching, did you know trowel was a word? But we take away the E. Oh my god, a garden trowel. Oh, Emmy, got up. Come back, girl. Sorry, guys. Here's something I know you'll really dig. This garden trowel is the perfect partner to your new gardening gloves and seed collection. You can use it for urban gardening, weeding your yard, or excavating buried treasure. It's up to you. I love this. Amy, Emmy, come back. You don't have any food there. I shouldn't have said it. She's like sitting by her food bowl. There's some food in here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I fast for 24 hours just twice a month, and I'm like less than 2 hours away from my fast ending. So let's look at the food because I can't not think about it. This is by Bob's Red Mill, peanut butter, chocolate, and oats. It's called the Bob's Bar. Non-GMO, gluten-free, whole grain. Oh my God, this sounds so good. I love stuff like this. Healthy bars, like for when you're on the go and stuff. For those curious, is 180 calories. I believe all their stuff's vegan that comes in this box. Yeah, it looks like it. Nice. Years ago, my wife Charlie just created a delicious homemade snack using just whole grain oats, peanut butter, and honey. This family favorite was the inspiration for Bob's Bars. Simple ingredients, delightful flavor, and easy nourishment. These bars are sure to satisfy. To your good health, Bob. Moore, is that his name? I don't know, but this sounds so good. And then, yay, by Beekeepers Natural, we have here superfood honey made with propolis and royal jelly and bee pollen. I have honey every day. I have a raw, like, clove of garlic, and then I follow it with a little spoonful of honey. It's so good for you. So I'm super excited. This sounds so good. I love honey. Superfood honey. It really is a superfood. So totally excited about this. Yay. And we still have like 4 things. Oh, this is interesting. So this is the Style Edit Root Touch-Up Binding Powder for Precise Gray Root Coverage. Color Binding Complex. This is in dark brown. So I wonder if you can, when you subscribe, do you let them know your hair color, or did everyone get dark brown? So I'll pass this on to someone, but I'm curious. If you guys get this box, was yours dark brown as well? I guess it's like the average hair color, the most common hair color. So awesome. So what it does, this lightweight binding powder delivers instant temporary coverage to unwanted gray roots. Washes out with shampoo, no flyaways or dusting, works in seconds. So it's a unique binding agent, glides over gray roots and locks color in place in just one swipe. Color adaptive pigments add luster and blend seamlessly with salon color for a completely natural look. Hidden sponge applicator allows for precise control and coverage. The secret weapon for at home or on the go. And it doesn't have any harsh ingredients, no peroxide, parabens, ammonia, or permanent dyes. It's not tested on animals. Nothing is that comes here. You can see the colors it works with. Interesting. Let's take a look. Can I get it out? Oh, it's cute. Oh, guy here. So yeah, I'm gonna pass this on. What you do, it shows here, there's like powder in there. So what do you, oh, is an applicator. Yeah, it said that, duh. So there's a little applicator under there too. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not share this with someone. But I think that's a cool idea. You guys use this or anything similar? Let me know how it worked out for you. Just gonna keep putting things over there even though she's not. This is where I got that pepperminty smell. Guru Nanda concentrated mouthwash, less waste, 95% less plastic, 99% less water, made with 100% natural essential oils. So the tiny bottle equals 1 large bottle, apparently. Nice. You know, I don't have any mouthwash. I can't remember the last time I had some. It sounds bad. Should I be doing that every day? Well, now I can. Traditionally known benefits from these ingredients. So they have ingredients in there to freshen breath and invigorate your mouth, like spearmint, peppermint, cardamom, and fennel. And then tea tree, clove, oregano, and vitamin E and D to promote a healthy mouth, and jasmine to be calming and relaxing. Interesting. So there's up to 300 uses in here. You add 4 to 6 drops to a dosage cup, and then add about 15 milliliters of water. Awesome. I love that. I love that it's eco-friendly and all natural, and that I need some. I didn't know I needed it. I forgot, but it smells really good. This will be good to have. Freshen up my breath. Oh, look at this came with the honey. I didn't see it before. I've always wanted to use one of these. Cool. Just drizzle my honey. And then, last but not least, what is this? My nose itches to think of here. Okay. Diamond Art Club. Do what makes you sparkle. Be Kind by Ellen Digital Ventures. Oh, DIY Diamond Art Kit. Round diamonds. Oh, I've heard of diamond art. Okay, how do I describe this better? Let's see what it says in the back. Because I didn't know what people were talking about. I saw it like on like a YouTube live. Jaw-dropping artwork that you can do at home, no experience required. Have some time to yourself and leave the day's worries behind. Create gorgeous artwork that you can frame in your home. Makes a great gift for loved ones. So you peel back the film. I'm reading off this for those who are wondering. But I think it somehow looks like this. So you peel back the film covering the pre-applied adhesive, then select a symbol on the canvas you would like to work on. Oh, so there's like little, oh, this reminds me of like a game, like Light Bright or something. Is that the name of it from like forever ago? Is it aging me? And identify the diamond bag matching the color code, and then press on the tip of the applicator. Use the applicator to pick up the faceted side of the diamond and place the diamond on corresponding symbols. So this comes with a premium velvet tarpaulin patented canvas, pre-sorted color-coded diamonds, diamond applicator, comfort grip, wax pad, craft tray, inventory sheet with pre-cut sticker labels, and a sticker to adhere on your box or your journals. Ooh, you can put this on your journals. So this is what it will look like. You want be kind. I love that message. 5 colors, including Aurora Borealis. So hope if that didn't make sense, you could see here this like little applicator. You like put the little diamond shaped things on. Fun. I love stuff like this now. I used to not be like a crafty person. I'm still not really good, but it's so true. Doing stuff like this is like meditative in a way. So awesome. So that was everything, you guys. What was my favorite? Love the gardening stuff. Yeah, I'm like super stoked to garden more and stuff. And this too. I like things that are more experiences now. I say that kind of often when it comes up, but I really like when you get like something like this, but you also get to like, you know, you can do this with someone else or with yourself and you get like another item from it. So it's an experience, you know, in the gardening and stuff. Now I'm really excited to plant stuff. Totally gonna do that. Maybe the gloves are my favorite. They're so cute. Let me know your favorite item down below. I can't wait to hear from you. But that's it for today, guys. Again, link down below if you're interested in subscribing. Thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.